So hello everyone, this is Janvi and welcome back to my YouTube channel or welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you have seen my thumbnail, today we are going to do the chapter number 1 of your chapter, that is your real numbers chapter. And in this session today what we are going to do, it in a short video. Okay, so first of all we will divide it into different parts and we will do it. Okay, so what is it? First of all we will do the table, not the, I want to say it, the process and the adventure of natural numbers to the real number. Okay, first of all we will do this much over in this video. So what are real numbers? But first of all we will do it by this small shape, that is natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers are those numbers which start from 1 to infinite. Okay, and the second thing is, what are whole numbers? Whole numbers, what are whole numbers? What it can be? Whole numbers are those numbers which start from 0, 1, 2 and that from infinite. When we add 0 to natural number, we get a new number, that is a whole number. When we get a whole number, when we add 0 to 1, 2, 3 and so on natural numbers. Okay, and the second thing is, what are integers? What is integers? So integers are mainly the negative numbers and the positive numbers. And what are negative numbers? Negative number means -3, -2, -1 and so on are the negative numbers. Okay, and if I say the negative numbers, when we add whole number to the negative numbers, they are making a new number, that is integers. Okay, and when we are getting to add fraction numbers, negative fraction number or positive fraction number, example -2/3, okay, and example 3/2, which are in the form of p/q. I have said that p/q, it means they are rational numbers. p/q is saying that I am, so it is rational numbers. Okay, then the second thing is, what I am going to say, it is, what is irrational numbers? Because the adventure to the natural numbers to the real numbers, they are saying that natural number, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and then irrational numbers, and then the king of the number system, that is the real numbers. Okay, real numbers. Okay, so what is it? It are saying that we have done till the rational numbers. Now we are going to do irrational number. Irrational number definition is very simple. It is saying that irrational numbers are those numbers which are not in the form of p/q, which are not in the form of p/q. That if you write √36/20, is it in the form of p/q? Is it in the form of p/q? You will say yes it is, but it is not, because they are as root. So these are commonly as the irrational numbers. Okay, so irrational number examples are √2. If we are adding this root, we can say that square root, cube root, nth root, they are irrational numbers. And your pi is also a irrational number, because the pi is not having their exact value. And next thing is the king, that is the real number. So what are the real numbers? Real numbers mean, real numbers are the combination of rational numbers and the irrational numbers, they both. Okay, so real numbers are the combination of rational numbers and also the irrational numbers, the combination of the both. Okay, now let's moving to the next thing, that is, it is the question for you, that state true or false. It is saying that every real number is an irrational number. Every real number is an irrational number. They are not saying that every irrational number is a real number. They are saying every real number is an irrational number. Real number is the king. Such thing as every mango, every let this example. Okay, so this is saying every real number. So real number is the king. So every real number can't be rational number, can't be irrational number, but every irrational number can be real number, or every rational number can be the real number. But every irrational numbers means every real number can't be the irrational number. Okay, getting my point, what I want to say? So what should be the answer? The answer is false. So now we have to finding the rational number between two rational numbers. So we are having the two properties, or we are having the two ideas to do. The first ideas is mid value method. In mid value method, what we have to do, if we are finding the one rational number, if the question says find one rational number between -3 and -5, then we can do it. Okay, but if they are saying the find 3 rational number, find 5 rational number between 2 and 3, okay, so then we will use the second process, that is denominator method, or we can say the Lie fraction method. Now let's go into the next page. So what did the next page say? It's saying there is a question that find 3 rational number between 2 and 3. So 2 and 3. So first of all we will write 2 by 1. We have to make it in the form of p by q. So we will write 1. 3 by 1. So we will multiply it by any of the number that you want. We can multiply it by 3. Let me multiply it by 3. So 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So we are getting only 3 numbers. So let us don't multiply it by 3. Let us multiply it by the heavy number. So the number is, we can multiply it by let us multiply it by 6. Okay, now 2 6 is equal to 12, and then 6 1s are 6, then 6 3s are 18, and then 6 1s are 6. So we are having 3 natural numbers. So the numbers are 13 by 6, 14 by 6, 15 by 6, and 16 by 6, 17 by 6, and so on. We are finding the 5 rational number between them. Okay, and if I multiply them by the higher number, example, if I take the example, if I am multiplying it by the higher number like 17, 28, so then I will find the more numbers between them. Okay, so I will find the more numbers between them. So till over here we have done it. So the answer that came is this by multiplying it. Okay, now let's go into the next slide. Do you remember how to represent a irrational number on a number line? So this thing we will done in the next video. We will did this in the next video. We will do it. Okay, so don't we have to worry for this. We have done this session, and in this we have done about finding irrational number, how we have to find it, and the concept of the adventure of natural number to the real number. Okay, we have done it. So thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe it, like and share. Thank you.